states to declare bankruptcy. I dare you. And let the president sign that bill that says, I give the state we passed an executive order that said you can vote by absentee. Today, I'm asking the Board of Elections to send every New York voter what's called automatically receives a postage-paid application for a ballot. If you want to vote, we should send you a ballot so you can vote, so you don't have to come out and get online. And then looking ahead, more testing. And we are making great progress on that. New York State is doing more tests than any state in the country right now. New York State is doing more tests than any country per capita on the globe right now. That is what will educate our moving forward. Watch the spread of the virus. It's getting warmer. More people are going to be coming out of their homes. That's going to happen naturally. Watch that spread. Testing gives you those numbers on an ongoing basis. Maintain social distancing. Also plan on a reopening, and not just reopening what was. We went through this horrific experience. It should be a period of growth. It should be a period of reflection. If we're smart and we use it that way, there are lessons to learn here. If we're smart and we have the courage to look in the mirror. We went through 9/11. We were the smarter for it. We went through World War II. We were the better for it. We went through Superstorm Sandy. We learned, we grew, we were the better for it. We should do the same thing here. People have totally changed their lifestyle. What did we learn? How do we have a better healthcare system that can actually handle public health emergencies? How do we have a better transportation system? How do we have a smarter telemedicine system? How do we use technology in education better? Why do some children have to go to a parking lot to get Wi-Fi to do their homework? How do we learn from this, and how do we grow? And let New York lead the way, because we are New York tough. But New York tough, when they say we're tough, yeah, we're tough. But we think tough incorporates being smart and being disciplined and being unified and being loving. Last point I want to make is, and this is just personal, it's not factual. My grandmother on my father's side, Mary, was a beautiful woman, but tough. She was a tough lady. She was New York tough. Gone through the Depression, early immigrant, worked hard all her life, and she was a little rough-hewn. She was rough-hewn. And I would say to her, you know, Grandma, met this girl, met this guy, they're really nice. And she would say, nice. How do you know they're nice? It's easy to be nice when everything is nice. I said, Grandma, what does that mean? She said, you know when you know if they're nice? When things get hard, that's when you know if they're nice. And I never really got it, but her point was, it's easy.